What's up, awesome friends? Yes, I'm back. At kung saan na naman tayo napadpad. It's been almost a year since nagbalik loob ako sa pagma-mountain bike, so let me formally introduce to you Shadrach, my Dartmoor Hornet Pro. Now, I know most of you followed me sa mga motovlogging contents ko, but I hope you don't mind kung magdadagdag ako ng mountain biking contents like this. This is just a light trail and sa bungad lang ito. Medyo late na din kasi ako nakalabas, kaya hindi na nakaakyat. Besides, almost a decade na rin kasi siguro na may naglaro dyan, kaya hindi ko sigurado kung na-maintain pa yung trail paakyat. Wala pa naman akong nadi-discover na mapapaglaruan dito sa amin. So ang ginagawa ko na lang, dito lang sa mga beachside or namamasyal sa mga interior parts dito sa town namin. Total, hindi naman tayo hardcore mountain biker. I do this for leisure, for exercise, physical activity, tsaka outlet na din, my own means to take care of my overall health, lalo yung mental health natin, to keep it at optimum level. Doon tayo galing kanina, and right now, we're here at the shoreline. Ang ganda talaga ng sunset dito sa amin. Hindi ako magsasawa sa view na to. Well, maraming salamat sa panonood. If you haven't already, please subscribe or follow. Happy New Year, and I wish we all win this 2025. As always, carpe diem, seize the day, live your life to the fullest, and inspire others to do the same. Mr. Brightside, out.